𝐸 you hold the staff at 1/3 like this. Close feet, opening like 𝐸𝐚𝐬𝐲 in a round shape. See here. Come forward. So now the staff was sliding from the first third to the last third. Here. Go into 𝐸𝐲𝐝. Stretch the left arm. Now go back. Once again from the side. Make sure the staff lands in front of your right feet, is vertical position, and you hold the hand around here, the same high as your shoulder. Now you go in with the left arm and go outside and look to the hand. See it from the side, here. In, out, and look. Now we make a step like 𝐸𝐸𝐲𝐬. You go up with the right heel here and drop down while you raise the left heel like this. Yes, it's like a falling motion. Understood? Now again, the hand movement, look, 𝐸𝐸𝐲 step, falling motion, go into combo, 𝐸𝐸𝐲. From this position, you should push with the long step, make the arms soft. The arms should be soft and push the staff up. From combo, you're changing to 𝐸𝐸𝐲. And the left hand is in front of the heart. Like this, you see? In round shape.